super excited, super happy. Finally it's done. There's been a lot of talks, but came to the moment where everything is done, and now we start. Now the hard work starts. So I'm super happy. I'm just waiting to get to know the guys, to train the first training, and I'm here in the training facility. It looks that it is a big club, huge club. So I'm excited. Now I can focus on one thing, and that's the United shirt, and leave everything behind me, because I played the European and was more talks about my future than the European, and finally now everything is over, and now focus on my new club, and go back to hard work and do good as possible. I think it's a big challenge for me. Wherever I came, I won, and I'm looking forward to this new adventure, new chapter in my career, in my life, and I don't know how many players has had the possibility to play in different kind of competition like I have, and at the same time be winning. So I will work hard. I know my mentality. I know what I want. I come to win. I want to win, but it's behind everything. It's hard work, and that is what we have been doing so far, and that is what we come to do here also.